here with Clay Wagner again at Eagle Alloys, and you've got some rod to show us today. So what are we looking at?
That's right. Today we have the Eagle 818. That's in the 8018 class of rods. So think 7018 with a little more oomph.
Yeah,
that's a good way to put it. The 8018 is for higher strength steels, abrasive resistant plates. It's anything that needs good ductility and as well as higher strength than a 7018.
Yeah.
The 818 is the rod for you in that situation.
Yeah, some more abrasion resistant. Right?
Yes, yeah, a little more durable, a little tougher.
Yeah.
Also the impact as well,
right,
for good hard impacts.
So this is more of a, it's a joining rod or a build-up rod, or?
This is a joining rod, yes, yeah, like the 7018. So for fabrication, repair of equipment, you name it, it's pretty versatile rod.
Yeah.
This particular 818 is, you can use it on both AC and DC reverse polarity, or DC positive. So it's good that way if you've got something a little heavier dutier, you know, out to your farm shop, the 818 will work for you, even if you just have an AC buzz box.
So what size rod are we using today, and what are we setting it at?
Today we're going to use a 1/8 818, and we're going to run it at about 130 amps today.
What kind of metal are we going to be welding on?
Today we're going to be using carbon steel for our demonstration.
Okay, and it looks like we got a bit of rust on there. Is that going to be a problem for the 818?
It shouldn't be too bad in this instance. We'll probably just hit it quick with a wire brush just to clean it up, and you know, you always give yourself the best chance you can. And but especially in a high strength application, you're going to want to do a good job.
All right, I'm looking forward to it.
Right on.
Let's get this started.
Sounds good.